Brother's working on the other one. Few things going on. A couple more things. Leaper valve. This bracket for the rear. Other one was gone. How's it going, Juanito?
Does this one gotta come out too, or not that one?
No, not that one. Just from here up. That tank is on. Head out. New shock, new bag. We had it bolted down so there was missing bolts. But yeah, we're gonna keep on working and I'll see you guys in a bit. Progress from the interior. We're working on it. We took off the dash. There's some lines that are disconnected. I don't know if you get, well, there's no air on it, but yeah, we're probably gonna wrap this dash because we don't like the wood on here. We're gonna wrap it probably the same color. Cover these up like I did to mine. I don't know if I have showed you guys. Put more toggle switches. We're gonna change these out. These look like cigarettes. So yeah, we're changing those out. I'm probably gonna change every single piece of chrome on here. Check out, we gotta check the gauges. See if they're all focusing on. Some of them light up, other ones don't. So we're gonna go get lights for all of them. You guys can see it's only like 3 that work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. That's everything that's working. And this one's 6. I got the radio installed. I got the lights to work. They don't work with this door. They only work with this door when I open them. Let's see how the lights work. That don't work. The sleeper lights are working as well. Just not gonna go back there. Next thing we're doing, switching this seat, because I believe that's the passenger seat, because it's a firm seat. It doesn't slide or go any lower. And look at how close that is to the steering wheel. Somebody was driving it like this, they were having a hard time. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on and we'll see you guys in a bit. Go ahead. And she's out, guys. Alright, so here's the before. Got my old stacks on here. Pretty much done with everything. Just need tires. Here's the tanks. So now it's time for exhaust. And then replace next. So this is next. But yeah, we're gonna get the stacks going. So let me get a sound of how they sound before and then after. Súbete de. Para que la pises. Alright, so here's the before. Some progress. We already took the filter off. There, right there. And these are my old stacks. So yeah, we're working. Hopefully we could get it done. Alright, so far we got one down. One more to go. And then we gotta cut this flex pipe because it's too long. No, maybe it'll be the right fit. So yeah. Acabamos or what? That pretty much everything's done. Well, still got a bunch of work, but everything's looking nice right now. You got new bracket right here. And then we did new bags, no shocks, bolts going into the sleeper because that plaque was coming off. Same thing on the other side, no shocks and bags. Bikes, we need a wash, and then we gotta do the hood. Nope. Yeah, that hood needs hella work. But we'll get there. So stay tuned. So if you guys like the videos, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.